Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. I love 164, and today we are going to do another unboxing, and this one is Nissan special. Why this is Nissan special? Because we have both Nissan cars here. One is our 34, one is our 35. One is the winner, one is the one who wins hearts every single time. So let's start with this legend Skyline. We have seen this one recently in the red and black deco, but this one is all black, and this one is going to be perfect. Oh my god, guys. See this? I don't know how to pull this out. Oh, I did it somehow. Look at that. Look at this. This is so black. This is so black. And this is so good. Look at the bottom. We have the name of the car here. Skyline R34. ER34 actually, and this is your awesome car with the roll cage inside. Let's put this on the turntable, my friends. Let's close it. Look. So this is your black Nissan Liberty Vogue in this amazing look. As I said, we have seen this already in red and black, but this one have a different place in my heart. Look at the front detailing, the side detailings, the rear with the Liberty Walk logo on the number plate. It does have a yellow roll cage in it. The wheels are 5-spoke rims look so damn good on this. This is beautiful. Now let's move to the next one. Damn, it was a 6.6 Skyline, man. But there is something more than the sick Skyline, and it is Skyline GT-R R35. Let's see from where to open this up. I'll open it from here without damaging the box. I'll try to open it. Nice, succeeded. Oh, okay. So this is like different kind of. I'm not expecting this kind of box. This is nice, right? So this one comes with the figurine. Even though I do not have any interest in the figurine, I have interest in the car. I'll still need to pull that out so that I can show you guys. Okay, so this is like different stuff. First up we have, I don't know how to focus this. See, this is P123 win. It's a board, it's metal, not very heavy but still, and I think this figurine is also metal because this is quite heavy. This looks nice. This looks really nice. Oh wow, stand good. And let's give the ball in the hand of this figurine. Okay, not able to do that. Don't worry guys, I'll show you the car, but yeah, it stands well. And this is your beautiful car. I will not say a word about it. This is so awesome, so amazing. I don't need to do anything about this car. You can see it for yourself how damn good this casting is. I love it. Let's put this one on the turntable. So here is your Nissan GT-R with this Motul, and I don't know how you say it. It's Autech livery on it, with this crazy black and red color. No matter guys, no matter what livery it is, if it is red and black, trust me, it's going to be awesome. It's going to be something that is going to nail every livery. Either you talk about this or you talk about Advan. And they tried to replicate this perfectly, and they replicated it so perfectly. Look at those back, that massive thing on the back, and the sides with the aerodynamic details, and the front with those fenders for the aerodynamics. The wheels look so crazy with the 6-spoke and Michelin logo on it. Even the number plate have Michelin logo on it. 23 on the side, Motul livery, everything is perfect. Thank God I added this one in the collection. I'm happy. So guys, this was your unboxing for today, the Nissan Special. Actually, I was having a few more cars to unbox from the Nissan previous releases, but I thought I will do that later sometime, and I showed these two only because these are the latest ones to come out. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.